Okay guys, so there's a big sale coming up here on Banggood in probably a few hours from now, and the reason I'm putting this video out now is hopefully you've got your notifications turned on, you saw this video in time. The sale is going to start at 9 p.m. Chicago time, or Central Standard Time I guess, in the United States on September the 9th, so that's actually a few hours from now. I'm going to put this video out just a few hours before the sale starts. And the reason it's important to get on the sale right when it starts is because there's only a limited number of coupons for each of the sale items. So there's going to be a link down in the description to my spreadsheet, which I update regularly with all the coupon codes and all the items that are going to be on sale. If you go all the way down to the bottom of that spreadsheet, there's going to be all the special items that are going to be on sale starting on the 9th at midnight Central Standard Time. And there's only a limited number of coupons that can be used, and since pretty much every other YouTube channel is going to be advertising these coupons as well, and I think there's only like maybe 25-50 coupons, I mean really not that many, so if you are interested in getting any of these items, I'd highly recommend jumping on it and putting it into your cart beforehand. And also I'm pretty sure the coupons only work on a single item. You can't put like multiple coupons in multiple items, so pick the item that you want that is the most important to you, put that in your cart, get the coupon code ready, and as soon as it's midnight Central Standard Time, so you have to adjust whatever time zone you're in, go ahead and make that purchase, and well, hopefully if you're not too late, you'll be able to get that. I every time I tell people about these sales, they kind of wait around and think about it for a day or two, but then it's way too late. Usually the coupon codes are gone within the first hour, so that's what I recommend. But there's a few that I thought stood out that were kind of really good deals. I mean, they're all really good deals, but some of these really stood out to me. The Nazgul 5, the 4S and 6S is coming around $140, which is like crazy cheap for a fully built plug and play, I guess, or bite and fly 5-inch drone. So you're never going to find anything of that high quality for that low of a price. So be sure you jump on that one if you're interested in that drone. The Tyro 69, which I will have my video out in a few days, seems to be pretty good so far, and it's going to be $60 after the coupons. It's a pretty good deal if you want to build something for pretty inexpensive, and it's a pretty easy build too. And then the Larva X, which is one of my favorite toothpick style drones, with the 15% off coupon, is going to be coming in at $83. I think earlier there was a coupon code that I had that made it $88. It's like $5 less now. That's a really good deal for that. And like I said, there's only a limited number of coupons, so you're gonna have to, if you want something, definitely put in your cart ahead of time and hit that. Make sure you have the coupon code ready, and don't have any other stuff in your cart. Otherwise, things might conflict, and then you'll be like sitting there wondering why it's not going through. So be aware of that. Now, so I'm sure you guys are all waiting to hear about the giveaway. You're like, oh, when's he gonna talk about the giveaway? The title of the video says giveaway. Yes, Banggood is offering a one Larva X to a one lucky winner on this video, and here are the rules. You need to obviously be subscribed to my channel, of course. Leave one comment only, and what I want you to leave in your comment is what you think is the best deal or something you might consider buying from the spreadsheet link that I put down in the description. So go to the spreadsheet, look through all the stuff, all the deals, and if you see something that looks kind of interesting that you might want to consider buying, put that in your comment. That'll be your entry, and only one comment, otherwise you'll be disqualified. And I will pick a winner probably about a week from now, give or take, maybe a little less, depending on my schedule. Obviously I'm kind of busy, so there's not going to be a winner announcement video. I'm not going to be doing that anymore because that's just too much work. So what I'll do is I'll announce the winner in a pinned comment on this video. So I'll put I'll comment who the winner is in the comment section, and I'll pin it so it'll be on the very top so you can't miss it. So you'll have to come back and check later, and let's say the winner has to claim it within say 48 hours, or otherwise I'll pick an alternative. So I'll put in the comment the winner and then the timestamp. You'll see, I'll put a timestamp on when I made the comments, so you'll know how much time you have left, and basically there'll be there'll be an instruction there on how to get in touch with me. So that's it for this one. If you're interested in any of these items, they're pretty good deals. I definitely recommend you check it out. I think the next big sale is not going to be until probably the holidays, so if you're thinking about buying anything, I think now is a good time, and the prices are pretty good. Anyway, guys, I hope you found this instructions understandable, and good luck on the sale if you're going to be buying anything. Also, good luck on the giveaway. Talk to you guys later.